Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
Vlogger, so I'm there now, I'm ready. You see it. You just see it now, good thing, damn. Good thing, damn. Oh my God. Yeah, so I'm there now. I wait upon the cab for come forward so we can go the next shoot, and now we're going to Pegasus, baby. What you do? I'm going to fish my state. Just good things there. Good. Yeah, man. But yeah, I'm there still. They mix up the yard gate, and the lady say she think me say 20B. I never even know that there was a 20B. Which part me live, but anyway. But anyway, vlog world, me there, cause I'm kinda late. So go on journey the boy. We're going to Pegasus. Hi vlog world, so I'm officially wrapped. It's wrapped. I just called my cab a while ago. And me I go cut. But the greatest thing is vlog world, my cab is outside. So I'm gonna leave now. Yeah. So yeah, it's been great. I want to go home now because I sleep until. Yo, Nick, big up yourself. Where my car then? Yeah, now I'm making getting out problems with my road manager. How much memory card? So this, God go with the editor there. Because he have whole heap of editing to do. But big up yourself, editor. He knows himself, but you never take out the one after this. There. You know what I mean? I want to go on journey with the boy. Well, I go on vlog world, so there. They're outside, just a look out and just build a vibe and thing, you know. Yeah, I'm kinda, for be honest still. Not only that too, I kinda but I work on something, vlog world, and it never work out, you know, to be honest. But I guess every disappointment happen for a reason and thing, you know, so kinda break my spirit still, to be honest. But there, I feel a way still, I'm not telling a lie. I don't want to talk about it too much. Yeah, vibe kinda broke still, you know. Yeah. But I guess that's just a part of life, you know. Guys, just remember that in life you will have disappointments. You know, you'll have your ups and you'll have your downs, you know, especially when somebody you care about or appreciate, they cut you, you know what I mean? And my situation is not an intentional thing still, but you don't know, things happen. Sometimes things just not work out, and it's just a part of life, and just know say it's just a part of life. But one of the greatest things we get for, you know what I mean, deal with what I have to deal with too, and it kind of feel refreshing. At least I can say I have no regrets, you know. And at the same time, I think we kind of waste too much time. But I'm the type of person I kind of move slow, you know, and I don't move fast with certain stuff. You know what I mean? I always wait on the right vibe. But more time in life, if something happens and an opportunity presents itself, take it. Don't waste time because you might miss up on the opportunity. You know what I mean, vlogger? So I'm just there, just I go and look out still. You know what I mean? I'm there with that train today. Not too long I go down train and then got a little message, you know. But my day of vlog early, is it? Let's go and journey the boy.
Terrible squad when me pull up. Big 45 in a car clip full up a gal dip on the front seat. Feeling me, hey. She bring another friend, where you bring another friend. Oh God.
Oh, I go on vlog world. So me there. Yeah, me know. Me kinda look like a monkey without my beard and mustache. Me look weird. Yeah, me cut off everything and I make it grow over. Place well at. Yeah, my head want all do to, well, trim still. But anyway, vlog world, me there. It is Saturday. I go up on the road. We are head out to schools. Schools out. Down at St. Mary a little later from now. That I live in the doctor thing at St. Mary. You know what I mean? St. Mary High School. And I'm not gonna just go and journey with me. But before that, I go up on the road with Rochelle. So start out some quick things, business and thing. And then just roll up back. So when I go there, I'm gonna go and journey the boy. Never stream yesterday, Friday too, because I have to go up on the road to sort out something where team sign up sponsor and the event I keep today. I was supposed to go that too, but a whole heap of clash go on. 3 different events. It just couldn't work. You know what I mean? Rochelle kind of vexed me not get to come, but you don't know, on a real level, we have to go up on the road and make the money and make moves. You know what I mean? So, yeah. My day of vlog world. I'm gonna just go and journey there, boy. You see? Whoop! Alright, vlog world. So, my day now. I never get to go up on the road and sort out the extra thing there. Because,
7 minutes.
that's all heap of thing. Me I'll end up late. Kerry cussed me off. She beat me up, vlog girl. She draped me and thumped me down my face, vlog girl. Me I tell everybody. She has shaved off my beard too. You see what she do? She and her friend beat me up everything. Tell me say she go burn me with acid. She burn me with acid. She tell me she go stab me up. All kind of thing, vlog girl. See, they see her. This how she look innocent. Look, would you look for her? See?
I
wasn't a lie. Listen to me.
About she go call gunman for shot me. All them things that she said, see? Tell them, see? YouTube look for them. Vlog girl, yeah?
No.
Be your things, yeah? Yeah?
I'm done with you.
Now you know our friend, girl, stop doing that. We're friends about 5 minutes now. I'm a new party.
We're friends about
5 minutes now. I'm a new party vlogger, so yeah. So we are on our way. Well, we shouldn't reach already. It's my fault. My dad do work. Today's just a rough day. Vlogger.
Oh, he's vlogging.
So yeah, my dad
What's the name of your
St.
vlog?
Mary. Oh, I go St. Mary High School.
Yes.
Big up yourself, Devin the doctor. She's Black Fridays and shit, yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah, I love Jesus, thanks. Anyway, vlog, we're going to journey the boy. Whoop! Boy, let me there, baby, there, give me some beer, trouble, carry me, go myself in a building. Yes, me on in, see me new woman, I'm a good up woman. I'm a good up, baby. Yeah, baby, next year we're going to get that youth, you think I joking with them. I'll be a poppy, now go pop.
Your face never shown at all.
Well, go on vlog, well, so me there. Boy, I don't know if to tell you now. This weekend and this week has been a very challenging and very unpredictable week. Nothing fully go as planned. When me did to touch the road, as me say, that never happened between me and Rochelle because we did work on a video for something mommy sponsor. I end up reach down a Devin the doctor thing well late. Because I did work on the video. When I export the video, vlog world the video, I be an error me I get, so I have to left the laptop with Rochelle. And then when we left it to that, we try to fix it and export it. It never there for work, so she have to end up keep the laptop. Yo. So even just a little piece of what me did show, it's just a little piece of the night. Yo. Cause enough artists pass through, all living the Dr. Lally and them people there, you know. Pass through and thing. So boy did good. It's just my vibes, it just broke. And then I don't know what did happen. Early on in the week when I did kind of feel disappointed and thing, but and now I still there. I try to fix the Premiere Pro. It'll be a problem I have, and that kind of affect everything with the company. Cause I know say I saw the video them edit and things. So me there I try work on it. If that video come out, if me get to drop the video tonight, it mean two things. Either it fix or me have to do the thing what me I do basically. This way I'm go around it. Go around the system to actually get into the video. Get out the video. Push out that video that I'm there work on. And that's one bag of man this is that vlog world, but yo, my day is still here, man. I not even get off a comb me, shave, cut me hair and everything. Everything bad does happen, but let's go and keep it positive still. Yes, me look like police, me shave off everything. Place hot, so you don't know, change up the thing a little bit. So yeah, playing the flavor here be a nice stomach. So yeah, my vlogger some there. They are going to take it easy, yeah, man. As I say, I know I kind of never did stream over the weekend. I me did busy. I try go out there and hustle for the food and do the thing. I don't know the things there, but yeah, at the end of the vlog this now for today. Although, yo, just been a crazy time, you know what I mean? But also, all the reason I sit down and get in the details and I couldn't know what go on. But apart from that vlog where I'm there, big up on yourself, happy Sunday, big up everybody. Just sending some positivity out there. That's there where I just go and breeze out and clear my mind, is it? So big up on yourself and just take it easy, is it? Woo, journey with your boy. Nothing can stop us because God that you rock. Woo.
Easily, 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 man I beat them easily, 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 easily.